Hello everyone. Today we are talking about day 8. Day 8 has a change in standard. The standard now is standard SID 5, and it states, I can summarize categorical data for two categories in a two-way frequency table. Now, if you just got done watching day 7 with that standard deviation is a very long process. I did state earlier that on standard deviation, we will show you the calculator method, how to get it all done in a calculator when you return from the AZ Merit testing window. But right now we're looking at standard SID 5. And quite honestly, of all the material we've looked at so far in this packet, this standard is the easiest. So we begin. At a wedding reception, the guests have a choice of chicken or steak for dinner. Do more people prefer chicken or steak? Do more people under 40 prefer chicken or steak? So just looking at the information, we have 73 people that said they like chicken and 109 say they like steak. So which one do they prefer more? It looks like they like steak. Do more people under 40 prefer chicken or steaks? Now we're going to look at the under 40, and we have 19 people under 40 that like chicken and 97 people like steak. So again, under 40 is liking steak. Okay, some additional questions. How many guests 40 years or older prefer steak? So 40 or older, coming over, 12. 12 people 40 and over like steak. Which meal is most preferred by those under 40? Under 40, most preferred, steak. Which meal is least preferred by those 40 or older? So 40 or older, steak is least preferred. How many people like steak? So we're going to look at steak, 109. Super simple. Going on to the next example. At a wedding reception, the guests have a choice of chicken or steak. Do more people prefer chicken or steak? And is this just a repeat? All right. It's a repeat on the question, but if you look down below, the answers have changed. So this is now a multiple choice question. Choose the correct responses from the table above. More people prefer chicken, however, more people under 40 prefer steak. Okay? More people didn't prefer chicken, and under 40, more people under 40 did prefer steak, but more people didn't prefer chicken. So this is not a good option. More people prefer chicken. No, they don't. Okay? So that's already a bad statement. I can move on. More people prefer steak. 109. So far, so good. Also, more people under 40 prefer steak, and that is a true statement. So far, this is a correct response. You want to be careful in case it's a select all that apply, so we have to read the last choice. More people prefer steak. However, more people under 40 prefer chicken. More people prefer steak. Under 40, nope, those people don't prefer chicken. Moving on. The answer choice is C. The table shows the number of students playing spring sports at a local school. How many boys play a spring sport? Okay, this whole table is spring sports. So that's important to note. All right. So in looking at boys, all the way across, 48 play a spring sport. On to question B. Which sport is most preferred by boys? Boys, softball. Okay, and boys, I know you're thinking that boys play baseball. That's fine, but we had to lump it into one, so we just called everybody softball. Which sport is least preferred by girls? Okay. Least preferred looks like tennis. How many tennis players are girls? Girls, 29. How many softball players are boys? Boys, 32. How many badminton players are there total? Badminton, 48. All right, at this time we are just finishing up our day 8 notes. So you need to go on and get the day 8 homework assignment. Have a good afternoon or morning, whatever time you're viewing this video, but please make sure the videos are all viewed by the time you return to school, because you do have a test on this the Monday you return. Have a good day.